Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix task queue is empty error on Outlier AI training jobs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So encountering the task queue is empty error during Outlier AI training jobs can be quite frustrating. So I've jotted down a few steps how to address this issue. So method number one is refresh and wait. So sometimes tasks may temporarily be unavailable. So refresh your browser and wait for 5 to 10 minutes before checking again. Number two is to verify course completion. So ensure you've completed all required enablement courses and assessments, as these are prerequisites for task assignments. Number three here is check account status. So confirm that your account is active and in good standing. Notifications like no active project might indicate issues needing resolution. Number four, monitor task availability. So task availability can fluctuate, so logging in during off-peak hours may increase your chances of finding available tasks. Number five, engage with the community. So participate in Outlier AI forums or social media groups to gain insights from other users facing similar issues. And number six here, inspect for errors. So you can use your browser's inspect tool to check for any errors or issues that might be causing the empty task queue.